my name is Desi, and I am the instructor at the DVA BOSS LAB Academy. Today we are doing another DVA Boss Talk interview, and today our special guest is
Shae. Hi.
All right. So Shae was the first official student that we had at the DVA BOSS LAB Academy, and she actually is the student and the experience that inspired me to create a program that made sense for someone in a new location that wanted to take on a new skill and wanted to start their own business. So Shae, let's talk about your experience. Like, what brought you here? How did you find me in this opportunity?
I was looking for, I guess, a braid school to go to, like something that would be the same as like a beauty school, but for braids only. And I just thought, I call DVA Boss Lab.
So were we the first one that you found?
Yeah, because if I'm not mistaken, you was the first person that answered the phone. I think I called everywhere else. I think a lot of other places I looked, they just kind of looked like they weren't in business anymore. But then I just called here, and you were the first person that like answered the phone.
I think that says a lot. I think that leads to the belief, and that's what I live by, is that everything is by design and nothing's by accident. Like, even the things that we feel were a negative experience, I feel like even those things were growth opportunities. So I feel like everything happens for a reason. Now, so that everybody has a little background, and we're doing these braids because Shae is transitioning to the next level in her career. She's doing a big move across country, and I want her to look like the braider that she is. She's a bomb braider. All of her work is very clean, and she, she just really puts her full effort in. What is your name, Shae? What's your business name? Let's tell them that.
My business name is the Braid Aficionado. Aficionado is spelled Aficionado.
And what does that mean?
It means skilled, expert. I forgot what else it said. It had a few more words in there, but
yeah. But I definitely thought that was dope, and we did that, through a creation exercise. It was somewhat what the vision board thing is. I was like, so what would your name be? And kind of, it's like describe yourself. Let your business represent you. And that's what she came up with, and I was very impressed. I was like, ooh, Aficianado. Oh, excuse me. It was really cool. But yeah, that definitely describes Shae and her work. She really does pay a lot of attention to detail, and she wants every aspect of her work to really reflect her passion for it. So that's why I felt it would be fitting for Shae to get a set of braids for her pretty much graduation gift. And now we're moving on to the next level, which we'll talk about what our goal is later once she gets established in her new location. So where are you going, Shae?
I didn't want to say the location.
Okay, well, she doesn't want to share it yet, but she'll let you know when she's ready to be booked and she's settled down, because they're gonna have to know at some point.
Yeah.
But we won't disclose that right now. But so let's talk about the experience, because it's funny. Shae took the class when I was still a beauty student. Like I was saying, I've been braiding for 13 years, but and here in Virginia, in our state, you do not need a cosmetology license to braid hair. So I've been doing it for a long time. Started at the tech center in high school, but had always been trying to get back and get that license, just because I wanted to finish what I had started. So when Shae found me, I was actually in beauty school, finishing up my license. And so I didn't have free time to do the program the way that it's set up now. And that's what I mean when I said that Shae inspired it, because she took the one-day class,